Let's make a savory classic, lemon pepper brined butterflied chicken. Add 4 cups of water, plus the salt and sugar to a Dutch oven. And bring to a boil. Once the salt and sugar are dissolved, turn off the heat. Slice the lemon. And add it to the remaining water along with the bay leaves and peppercorns. Chill in the fridge. Place the chicken in the brine. Cover and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Once the grill has preheated, remove the chicken from the brine and pat it dry with paper towels. Place the chicken on a board, breast side down, and cut along either side of the backbone with poultry shears to remove it. Fold the chicken open and place breast side up. Push the chicken flat and secure with 2 metal skewers inserted crosswise in the shape of an X. This will hold the shape of the chicken. Place the chicken on the grill and cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, turning halfway during cooking. Remove the chicken from the grill when it is golden brown and cooked through. Cover loosely with foil and let rest for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it! Fresh, savory, and delicious lemon pepper brined butterflied chicken.